New developments on the parents of the Seminole Heights murder suspect as they prepare to face a judge tomorrow in a hearing that could land them in jail. Good evening. I'm Jamison Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thanks for joining us. First tonight, ABC Action News reporter Serena Fazan, the first to report the Donaldsons are not answering questions from prosecutors about their son. And Serena, you learned today they're not budging, right?
That is correct, Wendy. You know, I just spoke to the family's attorney and they say that they are sticking to their position. In the meantime, the state attorney today also made his position very clear.
We have 4 murders that were prosecuted. So we are taking every investigative avenue and using every investigative tool at our disposal.
State Attorney Andrew Warren answering questions after ABC Action News first broke the news. The parents of the suspected Seminole Heights killer refused to answer questions about their son despite a court subpoena.
I'm a father, so I recognize and sympathize with the unenviable situation that they're in.
While Warren calls this a necessary move, Ralph Fernandez, who represents Howell Donaldson III's parent, says it's rare.
We're traveling uncharted territory in this case. This is not something that happens but every 10 or 20 years.
On Tuesday, Howell Donaldson Jr. and his wife walked in solidarity, holding hands and holding strong to their decision not to speak. They expect to do the same tomorrow before the judge. Contempt can land people in jail.
I don't think it's going to come to that, and we're not at that point yet. We've filed a motion for an order to show cause so that the parents have an opportunity to explain why they declined to answer questions in front of the judge.
It is important to note that nothing the parents say in an investigative subpoena can be used against the parents themselves. But the serious charges against their son is the reason they plan to stay silent.
If there's a legal basis to seek the death penalty and it's consistent with the wishes of the victims' families, we intend to seek the death penalty. It's
directed, obviously, the investigation to put their son to death. I mean, it's like, nothing good could come about it.
Now, if the family says anything, they will say this. They crafted a statement in part with their attorney, and it reads actually in part that their lives were perfect until November the 28th. That, of course, was the day that their son was arrested for 4 murders. They go before the judge tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and ultimately it will be Judge Margaret Taylor's decision on what to do. Reporting live from Tampa, I'm Serena Fazan, ABC Action News.
Serena, thank you. And you can count on us to be there tomorrow as Donaldson's parents appear in court. We will have live streaming going on, the entire hearing for you to watch, and you can see it on our website, free mobile app, and also on our Facebook page starting at 10 a.m.